Okay folks, we're going to have a look at SketchUp free today, and we're going to work our way through a number of tools and really get to know this program. Now during this week we're going to build bridges out of spaghetti, we're going to build bridges out of balsa wood, but it would also be nice to be able to have a little bit of a taster of how CAD programs, that's computer aided design programs, work. And there's a number of these programs available, and this is a good one. It's free. And it'll teach you the rudiments of three-dimensional designing on a computer. So the first thing I need to tell you is you need to have a risk-taking attitude to this whole process, because there is a lot to learn and it can be quite frustrating, and the best way to learn is to really spend a lot of time having a bit of a fiddle with the whole situation. So you can see here that I've spent a great deal of time. Admittedly, I'm not that good on this sort of stuff, but I've spent a great deal of time playing around with shapes and groupings and whatnot, trying to get an understanding of how all these functions work and getting to understand how to move things around on the screen, etc., etc. So that's the first thing you need to understand, is that when you come up against a bit of a roadblock as to how to do something, you need to make sure that that you're going to have the right attitude to this and really persevere, because in the end it will be worth it and you will get a lot from it. Anyway, that's my introductory video. It is a little bit of a warning in so much as when you start to get it, things start to fall into place and you'll start to understand how this whole process works. But don't give up too easily. See you in the next video.